we drove an hour to come to Pinders. This is in Palm City. Someone recommended me to come here. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing some good stuff. Look at all these beautiful bromeliads. So many, but what we came here to see is these beautiful, look at how pretty it is. Oh, I like what they did with the brick. No, that's not a brick. I can't remember what it's called, but whatever. Ooh, I like that. So pretty. I hope you guys can see. It's very sunny. These look super nice. Let's see if they have a price. I saw some of them have prices. You gotta be careful when you grab these, because then you're, yeah, it's just not. Oh, okay, there it is, right there. So mix and match. 6 for $24. Wow, and these are pretty big. This is good prices. Very good prices. Tanya, you can buy 6 for $24. Yes. I think it's the smaller ones though. Look, I think I got pricked. I think when it gets to this size, it changes, because that's $10.
It says, yeah, it says 6 for 24, all of these ones too.
Yeah, I think it has to do with the size.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, 4-inch.
Yes, the 4-inch. But look at this beauty. That's really pretty.
Wow, look at this.
Oh wow, look at this one. Look, I like the fuzziness in between. I love this cluster, Tanya. I love clusters. If I can find a cluster like this in a 4-inch, that'll be awesome. It doesn't have to be that size. Yeah, careful with your fingers. They're so pretty. Look at that one. This is amazing prices. I think it was worth the drive. I'm excited, guys. Sometimes when I record, I feel like I can't focus either, so I'll try my best to do both. Look at this. This one is flowering. Look at that one. That might be the one. I also like this one. Look at that. That one. So that I might get that one. I like this too. Never like seen that. My own phone scared me. Oh, okay. That one's cool. Look at that one. Look at that. So pretty. Oh look, this is the one I have at home. Those are so good. So I'm definitely coming back to this table. Look at all these. These are $2.99. Look at these. Look at that. That's a different one. I don't have that. The pots are pretty too, and they're painted. I'm in love with this place. Look at these pots. Look at the arrangements. $30. So many great plants. Wow. Look at these. It's so pretty. 25. Nicely arranged. Oh wow. So pretty. This is a very nice nursery. I like it. Look at that one. I don't know where to look. There's just so many beauties. Look at the hanging baskets. Oh, I like this. I like this one. It's just... Oh wow, look at these blooming. So this one is the, I don't know, that might be the same one I have. There's so much to look at. Look at the dolphin one. How much is the dolphin one? It doesn't say. I think it does actually. Yeah, $15. Look at this, guys. Wow. Look at how big this is. Look at these. They're happy here. And they have these big cactuses. There's all kinds of plants here, guys. What's that? Tanya, look at that. Look at the twisted one.
Oh, that's cool. What are these ones?
Those are Stapelias. I have that. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Yeah. There's several different types of those. So many cute ones. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out some plants. Focused on the succulents. I wanted this one, but in a smaller pot, but they don't have it. Oh, this is, oh, does this have a name? They don't. But I think I have that one. Some of them have names. So many great plants here. Oh, I got one of these, one of the silver green spoons. I got that. Never seen that before. I'm not sure if I have this or not, or if I had it. These are cool the way they grow. I like those. I think they're pretty cool the way they grow. Look, here's another spoon one. It's really pretty. I wonder, this looks like a plant that I have that my mother-in-law gave me. Peperonia type, I guess. I'm not sure. Look at these peperonias. So some of them do have names. I like their setup, and I like these things. So cute. Heaven for all you tropical shade indoor plant lovers. Let me just take you guys on a journey off the map. No, I'm kidding. Look at that. I have to be a little bit quick because it is very hot already. My family's with me, and my phone's giving me a warning that it's hot because I was over there on the succulent side forever. So just, my mom used to grow a bunch of those in Puerto Rico. She has a good green thumb. My mom does. I never learned though, because when I was younger I had no interest in plants. But yeah, I'm sorry that I'm going fast, guys. Look at that pepperonia. Like, it's crazy. It's $15 and it's huge. It's undiscovered. That's the only reason it's here, because a true plant lover has not found it yet. I know many of you guys are going to get frustrated with me because I'm going fast, and I'm so sorry. Look at the little setups. Let me just show you the unique little like ways that they decide to decorate. Oh, this is such a great idea. Look at how cute. I have stumps, you know, I use stumps and I've used chairs, but this looks very whimsical. It looks very whimsical. I love it. Let's see here. Ooh, I just stepped on water and mud. Great. So that's a pepperonia. Here is a Hoya for $12.99. That's a cool looking one. Here is another Hoya, the Hindu root, that's $18.99. I don't know why this, oh, Crimson Queen, $11.99. I don't know why they're different prices. Oh, look at these small ones. $11.99, okay. So yeah, look at all these. Look at this. So pretty in here. This side is easier to be in, but the succulent cactus side, not easy. All kinds of plants, guys. All kinds of peperonias. Chinese money plant. This one is cool. I like how thick the leaves are. What is this? Right? It's a pepperonia. It's so pretty. It reminds me of a succulent too, the way it looks. You can have this inside, Tanya, by a window. No, I think. Not sure. Never had one of these, but it's really pretty. $8.99. I think it's really pretty. Here's another pepperonia. And then another one. And another one. I don't know if this is going to be the best video. Sorry, guys. It's hard to record when you're new to the place because you just want to take it all in, you know? Okay, guys. I will let you guys go.